Hello students, welcome back to our class. Today we will continue the next topic of the chapter 7, that is we will have equivalent fractions. Children, you can see here 1, 2 and 3, 4 figures given to you in the form of circle, and they are marked differently with the different parts, but they represent the same fraction, that is half of one whole. Let us see what it is now. Equivalent fractions are those fractions which represent the same part of a whole. Children, all the 4 are one whole marked differently into the different parts. They represent different fractions, but though they are same in the sense they are half of a whole. You can see the one whole here, after the 2 parts, one is shaded, that means it is one half of a whole. Here circle 4 parts are made, after which 2 parts are shaded, that means 2 means half of the circle is shaded. That here also 2 by 4 represents half of the whole. The next figure here, where 6 parts are made, after which 3 are shaded, that means out of 6, half, that is 3 are shaded. So 3 by 6 also represent, children, the same fraction, that is half of the whole. In the next figure here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts are here, after which 4 are shaded. That means out of total whole 8 parts, 4 are shaded. That means 4 by 8 is also the half of the whole. Here 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. Here you can see the fractions are different, but they represent the same fraction, that is half of the whole. So such type of fractions, children, we call them as equivalent fractions. Let us go next. Now children, how to find the equivalent fraction? Children, to find the equivalent fraction, you can multiply the same number to the numerator and the denominator, and then we will get the equivalent fraction. For example, children, if I want to find the equivalent fraction for 1 by 2, how do I get, children? Now you can see here that if I multiply same number, that is, suppose I take 2 by 2 to numerator and denominator, I will get the another fraction, that is 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2 only. So 2 by 4 is equivalent to 1 by 2. Similarly, if you want one, you can find more also. Multiply the different numbers, but the number that you multiply to the numerator and the denominator should be same. So here you will get another fraction, that is 3 by 6, which is here also equal to 1 by 2. So here you can say, children, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, both these fractions are equal to 1 by 2. They represent the same fraction, that is 1 half. Now children, even you can find the equivalent fraction by dividing the same number to the numerator and the denominator. As we had found, by multiplying the another equivalent fraction here, you can go for the division also. You can divide the common factor of both the numbers and you can get the equivalent fraction. For example, you can see here, children, 18 by 27. Now this number, if I get the common factor, if I take it as 3, you can take it as 9. Suppose here I have taken as 3. You can see I have divided here 3 by 3. If I divide 18 by 3, I will get 6. If I divide 27 by 3, I will get 9. Still further, children, if you want another way, if I divide here 18 by 27 by 9, what I get? I will get 2 by 9. So children, 6 by 9, 2 by 9 are the same. They represent the same fraction. Okay. So this is the way we find the equivalent fraction, by multiplying and dividing the same number to the numerator and the denominator. Now children, let us understand the next topic, that is how to find the simplest form of a fraction. Children, If the numerator and the denominator do not have any other common factor than 1, then it is said to be the simplest or the lowest form of that fraction. For example, 2 by 3. Children, here in 2 and 3, there is no other common factor except 1. 4 by 5 is another example of the simplest form of the fraction, where 4 and 5 do not have any other common factor other than 1. Let us go for the next. Now children, we will understand this concept in detail with our textual exercise. Question number 3. Replace, the box is given there, you have to replace another value there to represent the equivalent fraction here. Okay, you have to find the equivalent fraction here where the box is not there, that you have to find that number here by the method of applying equivalent, that is by multiplying the same number, or you can use even the division. So let us go for the first one, that is 2 by 7 is equal to 8 upon the box given. That means we have to find that which number will be coming in the denominator. Now children, here 2 and 8. Now you can see, if I multiply 4 with 2, I am going to get 8. That means children, whichever number is given to you that on the another side, either in the numerator or in the denominator, you have to take the judgment according to that particular number, whether and which number is multiplied or which number is divided to that particular number. Here to get 8, 4 is multiplied, so in the numerator also 4 and the denominator also will multiply 4 only, because we are finding here equivalent fraction. As we have learned, the same number to be multiplied to both numerator and denominator. So to get 8, I have multiplied 4 by 4 to numerator and denominator. So when I multiply 2 into 4, I will get 8, which is given to us in the question already. But in the denominator children, what we will get? 7 into 4, that is 28. So 28 is our answer. So what will come here? 28. Let us go for the second one. Children, 5 upon 8 is equal to 10 upon dash. We have to find here the denominator. So to get 10, what I multiply with 5? 2. Right? So you can see 5, if I multiply to numerator, obviously with the denominator we have to multiply 2 only. So 5 into 2 I get 10, 8 into 2 I will get 16. So what is our required denominator children here? 16. So you can see you can have multiplied the same number to the numerator and the denominator to get the another equivalent fraction. Third one, 3 by 5 is equal to dash upon 20. Children, there is nothing in the numerator. We have to find the fraction for the numerator here. In the fraction, numerator is missing. So let us find the numerator here. So but here the denominator is given. So we have to take the judgment of the number to be multiplied on the basis of the denominator only. So what I multiplied to 5 to get 20 children? Yes, 4. Okay, 5 4s are 20. So you can see if I multiply 4 to the denominator, obviously numerator also I have to take 4 only. So 5 4s are 20 already given to us. So 3 4s are what we will get here? 12. So what is our numerator in the question children? 12. So that is our answer. Okay, let us go for the next one. 45 by 60 is equal to 15 upon dash. Children, here 15 is given to us and we don't have the denominator, we have to find the value. Okay, now children, here I will divide the same number to the numerator and denominator. The common factor I will take it here as 3. So you can see 45 by 60 divided by 3. I will get 15, because 15 you will tell me still I can go further. Yes, you can go. But here according to the question we have to bring here 15 only. So I have taken here 3 only. Okay, so when you divide 3 by 3, you will get 15. When you divide 45 by 3, getting 15. When you divide 60 by 3, you will get 20. So what is our required denominator children? 20. Okay, so you can also multiply and divide the same number to the numerator and denominator to get the equivalent fraction. Now find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having denominator 20. Now children, we had asked to find the equivalent fraction, but the condition is given to us that we have to take 3 by 5, we have to find 3 by 5 equal to 20, but there is no number in the numerator. So as a base, the fraction given to us is 3 by 5. Now what I multiplied to 5 to get 20 children? 4. Right? So here you can see the denominator I have taken here as 4. So 5 into 4 we will get 20. So 5 into 4 we get 20. So if I multiply to the denominator also 4, I have to multiply to the numerator also. So 3 by 5 into 4 upon 4 will get 12 by 20. Okay. So what will we get in the numerator children? We will get our answer as 12. Let us go with the next one. Children, here we have to take the base as 3 by 5 and we have to convert the another equivalent fraction such that we get the numerator as 9. Okay, so let us go for that. 3 by 5, we have to find the another equivalent fraction, that is where the numerator is given to us as 9. Now what I multiplied to 3 to get 9 children? Yes, we have to multiply 3. So 3 upon 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. So 9 upon 15, that is our next required fraction that we have converted with the numerator 9. So with this we end our session children. Hope you understood the concept of equivalent fraction. Study well and have a nice day.